Hello, my name is Vaishnavi Potekar. I'm a student of Estellar Higher Secondary School of Excellence. I've secured 96.3% for Goa Board Class 12 Exams 2023. After securing such a high percentage for Goa Boards and JEE Mains, I feel very happy and proud. I'm happy that my hard work has paid off. My experience at Estellar has been fantastic. The teachers are amazing. They are really helpful and always available when you have doubts. Estellar is better than other coachings because over here there are DPPs given every day so that you can practice, and there are tests conducted every 2 weeks so that you know how well your practice is going and where you stand among your peers. And the teachers also give you personal attention in case you are unsure about anything. One of the best advantages of being at Estellar is that all the centers have separate sets of teachers so that the students can approach them for doubts. I would definitely recommend my juniors to join Estellar for cracking JEE and NEET. In fact, my brother has also taken admission for Estellar.
Estellar Academy not only helps you to prepare for your competitive exams like JEE and NEET, but they also helped me to excel in my boards with an amazing score of 94.8%. It's really amazing. Hello everyone, my name is Prudent and I studied in Estellar Higher Secondary School of Excellence in the integrated course. I honestly was filled with a mixture of emotions. Firstly, relief because it was a really stressful time the last 3-4 months before JEE. It is, as a student, one of the most gruesome times I have ever gone through. I am grateful to have had very supportive teachers and my parents with me throughout the whole experience because they really helped me to get through. So with regard to the teachers at Estellar Academy, there is nothing like them in the entirety of Goa, because I have friends from other schools, other institutes, but from what I hear from them, they can't compare to the people at Estellar. They are helpful, they are beyond brilliant, and the main thing about them is they understand the student, they understand how troubling these 2 years can be, and they really help you to the best of their abilities. There is nothing like that in the whole of Goa. To anyone who is interested in clearing their JEE or actually acing their NEET, there's no place like Estellar. I would 100% recommend coming to Estellar for your future academics. Estellar Academy is much better than other coachings in the way they understand the students, in the way they interact with students. Like they have weekly tests, every alternate week they have a test. I think they interact with students to figure out why they are getting less, how can they improve, and this continues all throughout the 2 years so that they can ensure the best for their students. They understand the mental strain that you go through and they really help you. And secondly, the time. The integrated course in Estellar is like no other. Gives you a lot of free time to continue solving to ace your entrance exams. So it's much better than anything else in the entire course. To all the students who are going to attempt JEE and NEET in the next 2 years to become successful engineers and doctors, I just have one message: don't give up. Throughout the next 2 years, it's going to be very stressful, it's going to be very hard. But keeping the right mentality throughout is what's going to help you get through this tough time. Trust your teachers. Don't think that you can do this without them because they are really helpful.
Hello everyone, I am Vedant Kamath from Estellar Higher Secondary School of Excellence. I am very happy to announce that I have scored 93.17% in Goa Board Hssc examination 2023. After clearing boards with such high percentage, I feel amazed and happy that I'll be doing much better in the future and wishing to clear NEET with flying colors. About Estellar Academy and its teachers, I would like to say that they are very cooperative and they are always active. They want the students to come to them and clear the doubts so that we can do well and excel in our examinations. I would definitely like to recommend Estellar Academy to my juniors who are trying to aim at the competitive examinations and also the board exams. Estellar Academy is better than other coachings because they are cooperative, they are friendly with their students, and they are always motivate the students if they have any sort of a doubt regarding the preparation. the only message that I wish to give to my juniors who are aspiring to become doctors and engineers is that consistency is key to success. You have to study every day without fail, because consistency is just the key to success. And clear your doubts if you have. Practice as many questions as possible.
Hello, my name is Estellar. I am from Estellar Higher Secondary School of Excellence and I scored 93.17% in Goa Board 12th exam. After scoring such good percentage in 12th board exam, I am feeling very proud of myself and I am proud that my parents are also proud of me. I would like to thank my Estellar Academy school teacher for helping me get such great marks, and they were very friendly with me, they were very kind, always helping in nature and helped solve my all doubts very nicely, and I think they played a very important role in my success. Estellar Academy is better than other coachings because the teachers are very kind, genuine and also always ready to clear my doubts. I would say that if you want to join Estellar Academy, then you should be mentally prepared that you are coming here in order to answer your competitive exam or clear your competitive exam. You can't just come here and think that okay, they are going to teach me the best things in the world and you can clear it without any problem. It's your efforts also that matter. So you have to study. It's not that they themselves will make you study and you will be able to crack it by their presence.
Hello, I am Krisan Vimenta Pereira and I am from Estellar High Secondary. I have secured 90.33 in the 12th Goa board exam. After clearing the board exams with such a high percentage, I feel my efforts have paid off and I am very grateful to my parents for all the support they have given. I am very grateful to all the teaching and the non-teaching staff at Estellar. I would especially like to thank all the teachers who have been readily available for all the doubts whenever I needed them. For all the NEET and JEE aspirants, I would only want to say it is only 2 years of sacrifice and just give it your best shot.